So I'm going to do two topics today, and this is a reshoot from last night. Last night's wasn't as good. Topic number one would be, should you pay interns, yes or no? Yes, you should pay interns because interns fall into a couple categories. And here's a little backstory. Today, interns can actually now be in their 30s. We're not looking at traditional 18 to 22-year-old college students anymore. Some people were going back to school later on, like myself, and we were told you need experience on job interviews, so that means finishing your degree and then acquiring internship skills. Now, the problem is, most companies, when they offer internships, either want to pay minimum wage or no wage at all, and then offer what they call mentorship. So a solution for this would be, look, most jobs nowadays are going to offer some level of mentorship. Mentorship is needed no matter what you do in this world, whether you're an entry-level analyst, an entry-level project manager, in my case, coming in as a PSA and switching over to an operator, or anything else you do in this world. We need a mentor at work. This isn't, something that is ever going to go away, and it's actually a good thing. However, mentorship should not be the form of payment, in place of a wage, especially with a 30-year-old, because 30-year-olds actually have larger responsibilities. In that case, you should pay interns. Memo to companies, it wouldn't be the worst idea in the world because at least some type of a salary helps with commuting expenses and food. Not everyone has a parent to depend on, especially in their 30s, which was my case. And to finish this point about why interns should be paid, I asked myself how I did this, but I was working at the Goodwill. I was interning from 2018, all of 2018, 2017, and then all of that leveraged into working at Hastings-on-Hudson School District as a second job. So for the next 2 years, after I completed my internships, I was working 2 jobs and finishing school. And, up until the pandemic started, it was getting very tiring. After I was let go by the Goodwill, I was still working in 2 places, but the hours were lessened, so it wasn't as bad because I could slow down and get my health back. But if I have to look back at, from 2017 to 2020, the one thing I regret was working too much, going to school, and not allowing myself enough time. Now, topic number 2 would be the post that I commented on yesterday that went viral. And companies, yes, in all honesty, you should be posting the wages. If you don't post the wages, or the salary, most of us can go to Glassdoor or ZipRecruiter and find out a way to figure out the salary. Now, why is it better to post the salary? Because job seekers are actually looking at all different opportunities, and if you're not putting the salary up there, they're going to start questioning, why aren't you being transparent? You might be trying to pay less than what most companies would offer. Therefore, it would be a better idea to post the salary. And that's my video upload.